Now to coronavirus. Although we seem to be past the peak of the Omicron surge, the numbers show there are still a lot of cases in the community. The percent positivity rate in North Carolina and in Mecklenburg County is right around 30%. That's 1 in 3 people testing positive for the virus. Health experts are continuing to push what they say is the best form of protection, and that's the vaccine. WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner live at one of the county's new testing sites at the Park Expo. So Chloe, we've been so focused on testing lately. What has the demand for the vaccine been?
Hey, Carolyn, while we've seen this high demand for testing, demand for vaccine has actually been really low. During the Delta surge, we saw a lot of people go out and get vaccinated, but that really hasn't been the case right now during the Omicron surge.
In the last couple of months, there's been so much focus on miles-long testing lines that it's been easy to miss virtually non-existent vaccine lines.
Unfortunately, it's to the point where a lot of people who are not vaccinated, have really decided they're not going to get vaccinated.
It shows in state data, too. The number of people getting vaccinated in North Carolina has decreased week over week. 60% of the state's total population is now fully vaccinated. Health leaders stressing even though people who got the shots can still get sick, they're less likely to end up in the hospital.
We have well over 70 outbreaks in long-term care facilities right now. And a year and a half ago, that we had a similar number of outbreaks and folks were dying every day in those facilities. And that's not happening right now.
County leaders in both hospital systems still working to educate groups who haven't gotten the shots. They say it often takes multiple conversations with someone to give them the information they need to feel comfortable with their choice.
Younger people, in particular millennials, seem to be lagging behind. And we also have seen some numbers that women seem to be lagging behind a little bit. We've also seen that some ethnic minorities, may be lagging behind a little bit. And some of that, I think, is just shows the ability we have to try to reach out to some of these populations a little bit more.
Doctors also say the booster shot is critical with the Omicron variant, but here in North Carolina, less than half of the eligible population has gotten that additional dose. There are plenty of places around the county to go and get your vaccine or booster. Live in Charlotte, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.
Chloe, thanks so much. We know there's something new surrounding the coronavirus pandemic every day. It's hard to keep track. We want to help. Text the word coronavirus to 704-329-3600 and we'll send you a link.